Hi everyone, Yashvardhan, Teja, Yashwant, Shrikar, Varshit.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm
ma'am.
Shravanti, your faculty. I'm teaching thermodynamics to you for this semester. What
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
CR for your section?
Here,
Here
రాట్లే
hasn't
మ్యామ్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్
been.
కి
Okay. Why? What's the problem?
తెలియదు మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్క క్లాస్ అటెండ్ కాలే.
Okay. Is there any second CR?
వర్షిత్ విష్ణు ఇద్దరు సెకండ్ ఇయర్ మ్యామ్.
Varshit, are you there?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm there, ma'am.
Okay. Varshit, do one thing. Just take a
Yeah,
screenshot
ma'am.
of it, the attendance.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Of
Uh,
the participants, ma'am.
okay, not in the middle. At the end of the session, you just take a screenshot of it.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Total strength is 35 now.
Yeah,
35.
ma'am. 35.
35. Out of
Yeah, ma'am.
35,
35.
still more to come.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I will wait for 2 to 3 minutes.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Varshit, you are the second CR, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how? I hope all are fine during this pandemic period. But take these online classes serious because we don't know when the college will start. Maximum up to December. I mean, this whole semester will be continuing like this only. Okay. So be sharp at 2 o'clock. I mean, if it is morning session, be by 10 a.m. If it is in the afternoon class, be by 2 p.m. Don't be late from the next class onwards. Okay. Okay, we'll start now. Meanwhile, I will be admitting all the participants here. So myself, Shravanti from Mechanical Engineering Department, JBIT. So I'm teaching thermodynamics. So this subject is very interesting subject. Maybe after mechanics, engineering mechanics, this is the second subject you are learning, I guess, right? Is there any other subject you are learning? Materials engineering or something?
Yeah, ma'am. Yesterday we have completed material engineering class, ma'am. We
Material
had
engineering.
yesterday.
Okay, okay. Maybe engineering mechanics is also there, I guess, for you.
Might
So,
be, ma'am.
okay, this subject only Varshit is only speaking. What about others? Abhinay, Teja.
మ్యామ్ చెప్పండి మ్యామ్.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will be asking questions during the session. Please be responsive and uh, if you want, you can take notes.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
You can write the notes. Okay, I will be sharing PPT and PDFs after the class in the evening.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thermodynamics. The name itself indicates therm and dynamics, right? Therm means heat. Okay. Dynamics means work or power. So these two terms concludes the thermodynamic subject. So there are two subjects you can refer to. So these are the two books you can refer to. Engineering Thermodynamics by P.K. Nag. It's a very good book. You can refer this book. And Yunus Singhal, one more book is there. So if you want more depth in a subject, you can refer Yunus Singhal. Otherwise, for basic concepts, you can refer PK now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can get online PDF of these books. 2 books you can get online. Otherwise, I will also send to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the definition of thermodynamics. Just read it. So what is thermodynamics exactly? You will know. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deals with equilibrium, energy, and its transformation, and the laws governing its transformation. Just read it once. Okay. So at the end of the paragraph, you can see here laws governing its transformation. So actually there are 4 laws. One is zeroth law of thermodynamics, and first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and third law of thermodynamics. These 4 laws will govern the energy and its transformation. What it indicates? Its transformation. What is energy and what is the transformation? You have to think about it. What is energy? What is energy? Just think about it. Energy. What is energy? What you can say about energy? What are the different forms of energy?
Heat.
Right. Heat. Go on.
Solar energy.
Ah, solar
Temperature,
energy. Solar energy means
temperature.
okay.
Light.
Tidal energy.
Tidal energy. Right. So in the tidal energy, you are converting tidal water and what energy from the water. You are converting it into mechanical work, right? So what we want is mechanical work. We want finally. So thermodynamics gives us the idea about how to get mechanical work output from the available energy, right? For example, take IC engines. You know IC engines, internal combustion engines, car engines, right? Car engines,
No
bike
idea, ma'am.
engines. Car engine, you know,
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
bike engine. In that,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
use fuel, diesel or petrol, right? So that
Yeah, ma'am.
okay. Diesel have chemical energy. So while burning it, we will get thermal energy. Thermal energy that in turn runs the bike or car, right?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means energy is converted from one form to another form.
Another form.
Right. Energy is converted from one form to another form. But how it will be transferred? I mean, how it will be transmitted from one form to another form? There are several laws. These are the 4 laws are there. So those will govern the energy transformation from fuel to mechanical work output. That is how the thermodynamics deals with. Okay. And here one more thing is there, equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Any guesses? What is equilibrium? Equilibrium means
Which is equal, ma'am.
no.
At the equal point.
Equal and equilibrium both are different. Equal means the amount of one thing is equal to amount of another thing. What is equilibrium? Vinay, Srinath, Ashwan, you have to speak out. Abhinay, Mohan,
At constant temperature.
at constant temperature. Right. Tell me. At constant temperature. You mean to say the system should be at constant temperature. Then it will be in equilibrium, right? Antena?
Yes, ma'am.
That is what you want to say.
And opposing forces or influence
Opposing forces are
in influence
Abhinay, correct. Tell me.
A state of physical balance.
Opposing forces or influences, ma'am, are balanced with a
Right.
physical
That is
balance.
also correct. Actually, three
Ma'am, a
types of
state of physical balance.
physical balance is also correct. Opposing forces equalize. That is also correct. And temperature is at a constant value. That is also correct. All are correct. You guessed it right. Equilibrium. And one more thing is also there, chemical equilibrium. So thermal equilibrium and mechanical equilibrium, chemical equilibrium. These three comprises of equilibrium in the thermodynamics subject. Okay. Total three are there. What are they? Say along with me. Mechanical equilibrium, thermal equilibrium, chemical
Thermal
equilibrium. Remember these three: chemical equilibrium, thermal equilibrium, mechanical equilibrium. These three comprises of equilibrium. Okay, so this is all about thermodynamics. You just read this sentence once again. Thermodynamics is a branch of physics that deals with equilibrium, energy, and its transformation, and the laws governing its transformation. Got it? Everyone, clear this sentence. You have any doubt? Just
Yes,
raise your
ma'am.
hand.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Next, engineering thermodynamics is there. There are there is a small difference between thermodynamics and engineering thermodynamics. So only small difference is there. I'll be showing here. Here, definition of engineering thermodynamics. See here, the application of basic thermodynamics for the solution of engineering problems is called engineering thermodynamics. So now tell me, what are the engineering problems and what can be the basic solution? Think about it and tell me what are the engineering problems. Engineers, you being a mechanical engineer, what problems you can face in the engineering field? Any idea? You can guess.
Sometimes mechanical fault and electrical fault, ma'am.
No, sometimes
Technical fault and electrical fault.
technical fault, electrical fault. Actually, problem means not exactly the problem we are facing after designing. Problem is, like in this situation, in this current scenario, what are the needs you are having? Like from your place to your college, you need to ride a bicycle. Right, you need to ride a bike. So that is your problem, right? You want to come to the college daily at minimum time. What are the solutions you have?
College transport.
College transport, bike,
RTC
Yeah.
bicycle,
bus.
auto. So these are the solutions.
RTC bus.
Right, RTC bus. These are the solutions, right? So how they have designed these solutions at minimum cost?
Yeah,
That,
ma'am.
right? By using some fuel, they are providing you the solution in the form of a engine, right?
Yeah.
Right. So these type of the solutions you are getting for your problems. So that's how the basic thermodynamics deals with the engineering problem. So this is a small example. You can go for more examples by discussing with your friends. So and so these are the branches of thermodynamics. So there are three branches. These are the main branches: equilibrium thermodynamics, chemical thermodynamics, non-equilibrium thermodynamics. So these are the three main branches. What are they? Equilibrium thermodynamics,
Classical
chemical thermodynamics. These two we'll see later. Just focus on these three:
Okay.
equilibrium thermodynamics,
Okay.
chemical thermodynamics, next non-equilibrium
Non-equilibrium
thermodynamics, right?
thermodynamics.
So our main focus is on only classical thermodynamics. The entire subjects deals with classical thermodynamics. What is the classical thermodynamics? You will see next in the next upcoming slides. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You must focus on classical thermodynamics and statistical thermodynamics. These two. You must know the difference between these two. Okay. And I want to share the syllabus of Unit 1. We'll cover the Unit 1 syllabus in 4 lessons. This is the lesson 1, which will take 3 periods. Thermodynamic system. Just have a glance at thermodynamic system, surrounding, boundary,
Surrounding,
universe,
boundary,
universe,
universe,
control volume.
control volume,
Yes, types of
types
system,
of system,
concept of continuum,
Concept of continuum,
thermodynamic
thermodynamic
equilibrium,
equilibrium,
thermodynamic equilibrium,
yes,
property,
property,
state, process,
state, process, cycle,
cycle,
reversibility.
Reversible.
Right, quasi-static
quasi,
process.
static
This is very
process,
important. Quasi-static process. This is the basic for thermodynamics. This is the basic process for thermodynamic cycles. Okay, next, exact and inexact differentials. Okay, this is only lesson 1. Okay, still
Okay, ma'am.
uh, this is the lesson 2, which will take 4 periods in the Unit 1 itself. Okay, just have a look. Various non-flow processes, properties, and states. Okay, heat and work transfer. Next, irreversible process
irreversible
Possible.
and causes of
process,
irreversibility, energy in state and in transition. That means uh, energy in steady state. For the energy in steady state, we will give one name. For the energy which is moving, we will give another name. So that is energy in state and energy in transition. Okay, types of energy is there based on displacement and other forms of work and heat. Okay, what is point function, path function? This is lesson 2. So just know the topics which we will be covering. Okay, this is lesson 2, and this is lesson 3 in the Unit 1. I have said like 4 laws are there now. So this is the first one, zeroth law of thermodynamics. From that, concept of temperature
concept
will
of
come.
temperature,
Right. Principles of thermometry. And reference points means boiling point, ice point. Those are the reference points. Okay. We'll study how to point those points. Okay. Constant volume gas
constant
thermometer.
value gas, the
Next, scales of thermometer,
scales of
scales of
temperature,
temperature,
ideal gas,
ideal gas scale,
Ideal
and
gas
Joule's
scale.
experiment.
Joul's experiment,
Okay, so this is a lesson 3, which will take 3 periods. Okay, next, lesson 4, last part of Unit 1.
law
Uh,
of thermodynamics,
and yeah, first law of thermodynamics. Next, first law, apply to
Law.
a process, apply to a
applied to
flow system.
process,
Both are different. Okay. Next, steady
applied
flow
to flow
energy
system,
equation.
steady flow energy, and
Next, throttling and free expansion process.
throttling and free expansion process,
Okay.
flow process.
Next, flow process. So this will conclude Unit 1. So these are the topics we will be covering. Now first we will see, okay, branches over Unit 1. So this is the important topic, classical thermodynamics and statistical thermodynamics. You must know the difference of each and every minute difference you have to know. So classical thermodynamics, there are 2 point of views which we can see to study the thermodynamics, like macroscopic approach is there, microscopic approach is there. So what is macroscopic? The name itself indicates macro. Macro means macro. What is macro?
Small.
Ma'am, your voice was not clear, ma'am.
Okay. Right. Now it is okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am.
Okay. What is macro and what is micro? Macro means what? You must know these terms, macro and micro. What is macro?
Macro means
Macro means
macro
macro.
means
Big
Right.
size.
Macro means
big
big in
simple naked
size.
eyes.
Right. Micro means
Smallest.
small in size.
Smallest.
Correct. So macro means we'll just discuss this statistical thermodynamics. By default, classical will be covered. Okay. Statistical means suppose in your room, like wherever you are staying in your room, there are plenty of gas molecules are there, right? Plenty.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you calculate the velocity of each and every molecule?
No, ma'am.
What,
Each,
ma'am?
can you
No, ma'am.
calculate the velocity of each and every gas molecule
No.
with your senses? Like by seeing at a gas molecule, can you calculate the velocity?
No, ma'am.
No, right? But otherwise, take in different sense. Can you calculate the temperature of a gas molecule just besides you?
No,
Which besides you?
no, ma'am.
No. Otherwise, if you are staying in a room, suddenly the temperature of the room has increased. What you will feel?
We feel hot.
Right. You will
Very hot.
feel. You will feel hot. That means
Very hot.
you are sensing that increase in temperature of the room. Room
Yes,
means
ma'am.
that is in big size. Macro level, you can sense the properties change by your senses. Okay, that is macro. That is classical thermodynamics. You can sense the changes of properties. Properties means pressure, temperature, anything. Okay, but at microscopic level, you can't sense. That means you can't sense the temperature rise of each and every gas molecule besides you. అంటే మీ పక్కనే ఉన్న గ్యాస్ మాలిక్యూల్ టెంపరేచర్ యూ కాంట్ సెన్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే
Okay, ma'am.
రైట్. Any doubt up to here? The first point is clear now. This is very important, ma. If you have any doubts, just tell me now itself. Okay, I will continue and see the second point. In this approach, certain quantity of matter is considered without taking into account the events occurring at molecular level. So, I must say there is a theory, kinetic theory of gases. You all know. I must assume that you all know the
Yes, ma'am.
kinetic theory of gases,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in that,
Yeah, ma'am.
how do you calculate pressure, average pressure of a unit volume cube? How you will calculate? First molecule you will take, first molecule you will calculate the change in momentum, right? Rate of change in momentum you will calculate. After that, by area of the face of the cube, you will get the pressure at the face of the cube, one face. By that you will average all the pressures and calculate the pressure in the cube. So that is classical thermodynamics. That means you are averaging all the values without considering the effect of at a molecular level. That means you are not taking the effect of molecules at all. Just consider the average effect of it. That's it. But in statistical thermodynamics, you must calculate the velocity change in each and every molecule or temperature rise in each and every molecule. But which one is difficult? By this time you already guessed which is difficult. Classical or statistical? Which one is difficult?
Statistical.
Statistical, ma'am. Statistical thermodynamics.
Macro or micro or classical or statistical? Which one is difficult for you?
Statistical.
No, ma'am.
Statistical.
Statistical, right? Statistical is
My-
difficult. Why? Because in this we need to calculate
We
the
should
change in properties
each
of
and every one.
each and every molecule, right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So now the third point, this approach doesn't require the knowledge of the behavior of individual molecules to study the thermodynamics. The second point and third point both are same. Okay? And
Ma'am, voice.
voice, one second. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it audible?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Actually, simultaneously another lecture is also going on. That's why you are facing difficulty in listening. So sorry for the trouble.
Okay.
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 And the fourth point is macroscopic observations are completely independent of the assumptions regarding the nature of matter. So what we will do in statistical thermodynamics, we just look at the molecular level. Okay. At molecular level, we just assume some assumptions, and based on that, we will go for statistical sophisticated tools. By that, we will calculate the change in properties of each and every molecule. Okay? And so these are the next points. Just see this. The analysis of macroscopic system requires simple mathematical formula. That means we just use only simple mathematical formulas. But in statistical we use statistical tools, because we need to calculate each and everything, right? Okay. But come to thermodynamics, classical, few properties are required to describe a system. That means we need only few properties. We need not to go for large number of properties to calculate another properties. Okay, large number of variables are not required. Okay, so this point, this approach is quite simple, you already know, and this is complicated. Okay.
Example.
uh,
Example.
Example about
So,
about simple formulae, mathematical formulae. That is what you want, mathematical or which one?
properties, ma'am. Properties
Okay,
example.
properties means pressure, temperature, energy. Energy means
Yes.
bulk in the bulk form. Okay, not at
Okay.
micro level. You just have to look at bulk level. And
Okay, ma'am.
statistical,
Okay.
yeah, in the category statistical means you go for kinetic energy of a molecule, velocity of a molecule. Okay, next
Okay, ma'am.
okay, momentum change of a molecule. That's how you can calculate. Here are the examples. You see, pressure, temperature. At macro level you can calculate pressure, temperature, but at micro level you need more sophisticated methods to calculate. Okay, these are the main differences. So this is very important, classical and statistical. So I stop here. If you have any doubts, just raise your hand about anything, material or PPT, PDF. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No? Till now you just have you understood everything? So what is thermodynamics? What is engineering thermodynamics? What are the branches? Three main branches are there.
Ma'am, can you please say about applications, ma'am? Applications
Applications.
of thermodynamics in
Okay.
daily life.
Applications are there in IC engines,
Yes, ma'am.
heat transfer, Heat transfer subject is also there. Ice
Yes,
engines
ma'am.
are also there, and CFD analysis also there. So wherever energy you are using,
Okay.
there comes the thermodynamic subject. Definitely. Without energy calculation, you can't go further. Like in heat transfer, what you will do? How much time it will require for the energy transfer from one system to another system? That's how you calculate in heat transfer. But in thermodynamics,
Okay.
you need completely what amount of energy it is requires for a system to run to get the mechanical output. This is the main
Okay.
motto.
Okay. Ma'am.
So wherever energy calculation is there, definitely there comes the thermodynamics. Okay, I will be giving applications completely and history of thermodynamics in the next upcoming class. Okay, no need to worry.
Okay,
How
ma'am.
the thermodynamics was developed, the history, all the things I will be giving. So that is more important, because to know a subject, the history of the development of subject is very important. Okay, which scientist has developed which one and why it has come, what is the history of it, I will be explaining in the next class. Okay, so
Okay,
this
ma'am.
is the today's
Okay,
class.
ma'am.
If you have
Okay.
any doubts regarding classical or statistical, this is the main topic. In the next class I will be explaining history and applications, and we'll just go into the subjects, this lesson one. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am.
and CR,
Okay, ma'am.
do one thing, just take a screenshot of today's attendance, because attendance is mandatory. Okay,
Okay, fine, ma'am.
uh, and
CR Varshit.
uh, let's introduce
No.
any achievements you have done during this pandemic period.
Nothing much.
Nothing much.
Abhinay Reddy.
Hmm?
Ma'am?
If you have any, what you have done during this period.
Which period, ma'am?
Pandemic period, no?
Hmm.
What you have done? One by one we'll go.
Nothing much. Daily routine. Ma'am.
Vinay,
Just
Nothing,
as
ma'am.
stay at
Monavati
home.
Vinay. Nothing, huh?
Stay home, stay safe.
You are not doing
Yeah.
at least exercise also. Huh? That is very bad.
Di- di- no, ma'am. We are doing daily from 4 to morning. 4 to daily 3 hours morning exercise, ma'am.
Morning exercise,
Daily
morning, early
PUBG, ma'am.
morning. No, no, don't do
PUBG.
that
Ah, yes,
PUBG.
ma'am.
Play PUBG, but at least give some time. 1 hour, 1.5 hour. That's it. Don't uh, go depth into PUBG, how it was developed, history, and all that. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
And Vamshidhar Reddy. Vamshidhar Reddy.
I'm doing farming
You are
from
doing farming? That's a really good thing.
Caps.
Farming. Class, even you have to go. Encourage him.
Yes, ma'am.
Vamshidhar Reddy. And meanwhile, CR, you are doing now screenshots.
Yes, ma'am, I've taken.
Varshit.
Uh, Actually, this is the important thing. One of the important tasks. Okay. Next,
Yeah, yeah.
Varshito, Abhinay. Abhinay.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Abhinay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Uh, what was your daily routines? Is anything? Have you got any changes in your daily routine? Hmm?
Yeah, ma'am. I got changes in my daily
You
routine,
got?
but because of yes, ma'am. I got, ma'am.
You
Because of
got
this
changes.
pandemic situation. Yes,
Because
ma'am.
of
Mainly in
pandemic, so
food
many
and
changes are there, but any good changes?
good changes, ma'am.
Hmm.
No enjoyment,
Good
ma'am.
changes. We are missing college so badly, ma'am. That's
This is very bad. This is a very big lie. So, obviously, you will miss the college by your friends. You will miss your friends and chatting, right? College
Yes, ma'am. That
canteens.
is the real
Mm.
point behind is.
Canteens,
Bunking
when the
classes.
faculty is
Bunks,
going on class in
right? Bunks.
This is the joke of the class.
Right?
Monk.
no
You
ma'am,
will miss bunks, no? By
we will
missing.
Yes,
no
ma'am.
ma'am,
Today's
we will
joke
not encourage bunks ma'am. We will not encourage
and
bunks ma'am.
Okay, okay. You will
నువ్వే
not
చెప్పాలి రా
encourage
అది
bunks.
the class రే.
Hey, Abhinay. Don't lie.
మన క్లాసే మాట్లాడుకోవాలి బంక్ల గురించి.
First అంతే. joke in the class.
So where is the okay, okay. So whatever it is, but take serious, be serious in your studies, and revise your previous semester subjects also, because this is your personal interest. Nobody forces you to study during this time, but allot some time every day, 1 hour, 2 hours, even at least half an hour. But please revise your favorite subjects, favorite novels, and be sharp. You must sharp your brain. Okay.
Okay.
Because in
Yeah.
this time mental stability is very important. Please be strong
Yes ma'am.
and hope for the good days. And meanwhile, concentrate on your health and food, and wear mask when you are going outside. Okay. Okay. Good evening, and I'll leave the session to here. Okay.
Yeah ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Take care.
వినయ్ వీడియో కాల్స్ బంద్ చేయి.
Okay,
రే
ma'am.
అభి
చెప్పరా చెప్పరా